Introducing the CAB Solutions Elite Membership Program. Are you ready to unlock your potential, revolutionize your career, and embark on an exciting journey in the world of architectural engineering and the construction industry? Look no further, this is your golden ticket to success. CAB Solutions membership courses are not your average learning experience. They are elite programs meticulously designed for the driven professionals and ambitious students who crave knowledge, freedom, and flexibility while seamlessly juggling their daily commitments. Picture this, a learning experience that bends to your schedule, not the other way around. Our elite program is your gateway to learning anytime, any day, anywhere, and most importantly, at your convenience. We understand that life doesn't wait, and neither should your growth. But remember, quality doesn't come cheap. This program is designed for those who are truly thirsty for success, those who are passionate, and those who aspire to be part of change. If you're merely looking to buy a membership and let it collect dust, this is not for you. We're not in it for the money, we're here to see you thrive. Welcome to our VIP community, where everyone is committed to your success. Our expert coaches are at your disposal, ready to guide, mentor, and hold you accountable. Say goodbye to the days of waiting for someone to push you. We've got a seamless step-by-step curriculum to guide you through your transformative journey. Our program is project-based, and we reward your efforts. Watch videos, take quizzes, complete exercises, and submit assignments. Every action you take brings you one step closer to success. We present challenges at every level, pushing you to grow and achieve your dreams. With a 6-month access pass to our courses and community, you hold the power to extend it, and you'll gain a lifetime access to our exclusive group, a community that's always there to support you. As a member, you'll enjoy a privileged lifetime coupon offering you a 20% discount on any additional courses you enroll in. Your dedication won't go unnoticed. We're not just about courses, we're about creating a vibrant community. Get ready for exclusive events, engaging Q&A sessions, hands-on workshops, and enlightening weekly webinars just for our members. Your efforts and growth won't go unrewarded. We'll match your determination with well-deserved certificates, both local and international. Don't let this life-changing opportunity to transform your career and add value to your life pass you by. Seize it with both hands. Enroll now by visiting our website at online.mcabsolutions.com and become part of the CAB Solutions Elite Membership Program. Your journey to excellence starts now. Join us and make your mark on the future.